Dave Lindahlstedt explains that corporate and business real estate can offer benefits to those who maneuver often, need a destination for our living even though searching for a long-lasting house, or maybe whom will need only to have a home in a region quickly even though carrying out agreement help the corporation. Your common residents might need a 6-month rent, at bare minimum, which can be way too a lot to invest in. By means of putting your signature on some sort of faster rent or even obtaining a month-to-month deal, you are able to steer clear of squandering cash on a position you'll